Welcome to the chemistry question. Jordan here, and in a response to a recent request, I'm making a video about how the different fields of science are related. As a disclaimer, the relationships explored will be very simplified in the interest of keeping this video to a couple minutes. Let's start with math. Math gives us a logical way of thinking because it is completely objective, not swayed by opinion or culture. Therefore, math acts as a universal language. Whether you are Chinese, Costa Rican, or alien, the fact remains that 1 bird plus 2 birds equals 3 birds, and if there are 45 cookies and you eat 36, you are left with diabetes. When we apply math to create a myriad of formulas that describe how the universe operates, we have entered the world of physics. When we get to physics on a smaller level, and we start looking at the physics of electrons and atoms, and how electrons bond to atoms, we have my favorite, chemistry. When we start looking at chemical reactions that build complex molecules that then become self-sustaining and create life, we have biology. Of course, these three disciplines overlap and branch off, which is why I cover more than just chemistry on the chemistry question. The way I see it, every scientific field of study can be traced back to biology, chemistry, and/or physics. For example, astronomy is the physics and chemistry of space, geology involves the biology, chemistry, and physics of the earth, and psychology explores the biology and chemistry of the brain. There are people that think psychology is not a science, but that is a debate I do not want to get into. A little side note that I'm warning you may turn into a rant. I have to get people that want me to use science to confirm their beliefs or to confirm what they see or hear. For example, I had someone recently tell me that she believes the human mind creates matter, and she wants to read science that proves it. This made me somewhat frustrated. I don't care what her beliefs are whatsoever, but the fact that she admitted to me that she only looks at the science that confirms her beliefs means to me that she does not understand what science is at all. In science, you do the opposite. You come up with a hypothesis, and then you try to disprove it in any way possible, and then if you cannot disprove it, you send your work to others to see if they can disprove it. If nobody can disprove it or come up with a better explanation, it stands as the current model until something different comes along. You don't use science to confirm your beliefs. You form your beliefs based on scientific evidence. With that, let's do a compare and contrast. Science, not science. Science, not science. Science, not science. Sorry for that tangent, but I had to get it out. Thank you for watching the chemistry question. Be sure to subscribe and leave any questions, suggestions, or science rants in the comments below. Until next time.